अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं अब सब? उम्मीद करता हो कब सब ठीक होंगे। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है डिफाइंड ट्रेडर एंड इन्वेस्टर और इनमें क्या फ़र्क है। तो चलिए बिना टाइम ज़ाया किए अपने टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। A trader and an investor are both participants in financial markets, but they differ in their strategies, time horizons, and goals. A trader is someone who buys and sells financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or forex, frequently, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. Traders focus on market trends, technical analysis, and timing to capitalize on volatility. Key characteristics of a trader include a short-term time horizon, a goal to profit from short-term price fluctuations, an approach that involves technical analysis and market timing, a high frequency of trades, and higher risk due to market volatility and leverage often used in trading. Examples of traders include day traders, swing traders, and scalpers. An investor is someone who commits capital to financial assets with the expectation of generating returns over a longer period. Investors focus on the fundamental value of assets and aim to build wealth gradually. Key characteristics of an investor include a long-term time horizon, a goal to build wealth through capital appreciation, dividends, or interest over time, an approach that involves fundamental analysis and a buy and hold strategy, a low frequency of trades, and generally lower risk compared to trading. Examples of investors include stock investors, real estate investors, and index fund investors. The key differences between traders and investors include their time horizons, focus, activity levels, risk levels, tools used, and goals. A trader is like a sprinter, focusing on quick, short-term gains by capitalizing on market volatility, while an investor is like a marathon runner, focusing on steady, long-term growth by holding quality assets. Both roles are important in financial markets, and individuals may choose one or the other based on their risk tolerance, time commitment, and financial goals. Some people even combine both strategies, trading a portion of their portfolio while investing the rest. Don't forget to join us on WhatsApp. Community links is in the description. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.